Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to manage your Jamboards. If you're at jamboard.google.com and you're on the home page, you'll notice the little snowman menu by each Jamboard, and if you hover over it, it says More Actions. Now, there's not a lot you can do from here, but you do have some very important options when you click on this menu. You can rename the Jamboard, so maybe you want to reuse it, but you want to give it a different name. You can download it as a PDF. This might make it easier to distribute by email to people who might not be familiar with using Jamboard, or you can just remove it altogether. So you can do some managerial tasks on your Jamboards from jamboard.google.com, or if you happen to have the Jamboard open in front of you, you can find the same snowman menu up in the upper right-hand corner. If you click on that, you'll notice that you have several more options for dealing with and managing your Jamboards, but it does include the three from the normal Jamboard menu. You can rename, download as a PDF, or remove, or because we actually have this Jamboard open, we can save the frame as an image. That might be because we want to treat that as an image for some other purpose. We can make a copy of a Jamboard, or we can get help, send feedback to Google, or see the version history. Seeing the version history will allow you to see the changes that were made to this Jamboard. Maybe you want to revert back to a previous version. Maybe you thought you had something in here and it's gone now, and you want to make sure that you can go back and find that. But there are a handful of ways that you can manage your Jamboards, either from the Jamboard homepage or from within the Jamboard itself.